How to withdraw money from Wise to bank account. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can withdraw money from Wise to bank account. Step 1 is to open up any web browser and head over to wise.com, or you can also use the Wise application for your convenience. Here, you want to click on the login option and enter all of your credentials in order to log into your account. If you are new to this, click on the register option. Then you will be able to create a new Wise account. Once you have been logged into your account, you will be taken to your account overview where you can check your balance and set up withdrawal. Now, the next step is to select the balance you want to withdraw from. You will see the currency balances you have open and the funds you hold on the left-hand menu if you're using the website, or along the top of the screen if you have logged in using the Wise app. Choose the currency you want to withdraw from and tap or click. The third step is to enter the details of the withdrawal. Click Send. You will see it with an arrow icon in the menu and enter the amount and currency you want to withdraw. If you are converting your balance into another currency, then you will instantly see the exchange rate and fee that will apply to the withdrawal. Step 4 is to confirm the account you want to withdraw to. You will need to add the details of the account you want to receive the money to, or choose yourself as an existing recipient if you have withdrawn funds to that account before. If you are withdrawing to the account for the first time, just follow the on-screen prompts to enter all the details required, including the name and the account, the name the account is held under, the account number, bank number, and other relevant information. Step 5 and the last step is to click Send Money. Check everything over, and once you're ready to go, click or tap on the Send Money option. Your money will be on the way and you will get a notification when it's been sent. You can also track your transfer by accessing your account. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.